Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Julia. Welcome back to Makeup with Time with Julia. In today's video, we have weeks ago I did unboxing everything from Makeup Revolution, and this was one of the palette I got from Revolution. And this palette, okay, this was inside this very one, so I remove it. No big deal. So you, like I mentioned in my previous video, you have 45 shades. It's called Maxi Reloaded. Large it up. So this is the palette, and this is what you've got here. Check this out. This is massive palette. So they released 4 in total, and I decided to pick just 2. This one, which is more like neutral, and the other one is more colorful. So if I want to do something else, I can play with both palettes. Therefore, I decided to pick just 2 out of 4, and which I was really happy about. So I have not tried this on at all. So today, finally, this palette is gonna make it to this channel now. By the way, guys, I hope you all are doing okay. I was in town today, just doing my whole thing. No, I went to this shopping. Went to this store. They sell clothes and jewelry, accessory, and I got this my massive chunky earring for £2.50. Check me out. This one, this is £2.50. It was on sale. It's supposed to be £5. I got it for £2.50. Tell you guys, your girl like cheap stuff, I think. Then I got this. Look at me, girls. Look at me, guys. I got this for £5 for this very one here. I was like, as soon as I looked at it, I was like, girl, you going home with me, you are coming home with me. So I got this for £5. I will start with this shade. So I put the palette down, because otherwise we're gonna block this damn camera now. The brush I'm using is actually the color. So I will pack this. I'm just gonna press it on my lid. Oh Lord, you see what I mean when I talk about Revolution? You see the pigment, guys. I like it already. Don't know whether it's showing on the camera, guys. The pigment is wow. You see that? I'll just leave it that way. Just leave it the way it is right now. Let's do the other. Oh, right. Can use this one for cockroach. Use this other side for blending. Right. I'm gonna go in with lighter shades to blend this out. I will go in with this shade here. This very shade. Is camera even picking up? Where was I? Okay. Here. This shade. Put the palette down. So I'm just gonna blend my brow. I would say, yeah, brow bow. Just gonna blend my brow bow. And today, guys, while I was in town, I got the best news ever, which in future I will share with you guys. Like, I was after shopping, I was hungry. We went to this Chinese buffet for lunch. I was there, then I received this phone call. Automatically, my tummy was filled. Like, I was eating when the phone call came. Hello. I was like, my tummy just blocked with joy. Cry. I want to cry. I want to jump. my belly. Guys, I don't know, like, if you have ever received a phone call that you feel like you want to cry or something, you're gonna have to leave comment below, guys. But I will share this good news with you guys in future, guys. I promise I will share everything with you. I nearly start crying. Like, I don't know, like, oh my gosh, like, guys, you have no idea. And I can't wait to be sharing, you know, some little bit of myself with you guys in future. I can't really wait. We will get to that. You guys will get to know me more and everything. And yeah, this shade here, I hope the camera is picking it as well. I need this shade. So what I'm gonna do with this shade is I'm gonna apply my inner corner-ish and my outer corner. Oh, all this shit, oh my gosh. Seriously, my bloody neighbor, this time they have a whole bloody day. Great. Loma. Who cut grass 7 o'clock at night, evening, whatever? Neighbor are officially enemy of progress, guys. These people don't want me to progress. I want to do call Chris, but at the same time, I want to call me Chris off camera. So I'll get back to you guys. Alright guys, we are back. We have some situation going on here. So I went to cut my Chris off camera. My neighbor, they are cutting grass, and all you can hear is brr, brr, and brr, and more brr. So while they are doing all that broom broom, I just thought I will do one eye off camera. So if, as you can see, this skull crease on this side now is even dried up. So I'm just gonna add a little bit more. So it didn't even make sense now. Can't believe my neighbor actually waited for a whole day only to start cutting thingy grass at 7 p.m. and 9. For God's sake. May God bless me. Then I will have a beauty room built with soundproof, where I can actually focus on doing this full time when the time comes. Like soundproof, 100%. Right. I think we are good to go now. You remember the shade we started with before? I even destroyed the palette slightly, which is this shade here. I'm gonna start bringing the core crease forward with this dark shade. So I'm just gonna start here. Not forward, bringing it inward, like closing it. What are you talking about, Julia? With this brush here, Then I start packing this all over this area here. That's what I did. This shade here. Once I've done that, then I now went in with this other brush. Then I now start applying this shade here, this very one here. There. So after I done that, you can see this shimmer here, loose pigment for color, okay, loose pigment, because it's white as well, and the shade I'll be using is white. Want it to be intense up here. Then I now went in with this same brush. Oh, like I pour it, guys. I can be clumsy at times, but you see how chunky it is, and I was experiencing fallout, so I just spray it now. Wish me luck, guys. So let's apply this here. See, oh, it's even worse than before, even though I sprayed. I'm not feeling it now. Right, after I've done that, you can see the color crease kind of disappeared. Then I went in with this shade I started with earlier on, which is this very shade here. So I want it back. So what I did was I will just recreate my color crease kind of situation. There you have it, guys. There you have it. So for my bottom lash, I'm using PS, which is from Primark. Yeah, I want that to be intense as well. At this point, then I now went in with this shade here. This very shade here. So I'm just gonna pack this on my bottom lashes. Kind of using this shade now to diffuse that dark eyeliner. It's little brush. I love this brush. I don't even know, yeah, from the color. Now I went back with this shade here. So we want a joint situation, okay? Oh, I took too much, and I'm experiencing some fallout now. So we join it together around here. I need to glue it with super glue. Look, it's from MSQ Brook. So if you have this situation going on, all you need to do is just some super glue around it, let it dry, then it's good to go again, because we don't have money to throw around. So we don't have money to be buying brushes all the time. So for that simple reason, we're still gonna use it. So you see this shade here, like a marble. It's so beautiful. Gosh, let me, you see this very shade here and this very one. I have few of them. Yeah, these three, 1, 2, 3. It's like a marble situation. This very one here as well. I don't know what makeup revolution man doing. You have that marble effect going on top of, you know, the first layer, I would say. It's really cute. Then I now apply that on my inner corner. Again, you know the drill by now. Inner corner, if it's not showing, doesn't make any. It's completed now. I believe now I'm gonna just go and do my fussy and the rest of my face. All right, guys, We are now finally back, and this is now what we call the final look of today. You know, if you wonder why I add the, you know, I'm a bit extra. I'm always extra anyway, you know. It's actually, yeah. I have 2 of these. I'm gonna go and get more of these. It's eyeliner, and it's some glitter mixed with shimmer, shiny some duochrome going on up here. So it's one color. If you look, it's like white. Once it gets to your skin, it changes to like purple-ish, thingy-ish. I truly like this one as well. I also have blue. So far, the shade I used today blew me away. I truly like this very one. I don't know. I'm in love with this very palette here. I will recommend. Will I recommend this palette? Of course, definitely I will recommend this palette. I like it myself. I believe that £12 you're gonna spend on this eyeshadow palette is money well spent. It's gonna be. Imagine taking this to your client. Yeah, guys, this is a really good palette. I would definitely recommend this palette. Blew me away. I don't want to say I prefer this one more than the other one, because that one is colorful. You can create any crazy look with that. But this one, because it's neutral, it's something I can reach for every day. And this palette, I think everyone should have this very one. The rest is, you know, but this specific one, I think everyone should have one of these. You know, guys, it's really, really good. Yeah, that's it for today now, guys. And like this video, share this video, subscribe to my channel if you have. Thank you very much. If you haven't, just subscribe, and don't forget to kill that notification bell, so whenever I upload video, you will not miss out on my, you know, weekly upload. Every Wednesday upload. We intend to upload video now Wednesdays and Sundays, so you will not miss out. Make sure that notification bell is on. When I say kill it, I mean switch it on. Yeah, I mean click it. That's what I'm trying to say there, so you will not miss out on my. If you wonder what lashes I use, actually one of ours is Mia Style Mia. That's what I use. Mia is available on makeupitime.com. all right, guys, so yeah, that's it for today, and I shall leave you now. Hopefully I will see you on my very, very next. Thank you for hanging out with me, and thank you so much for your support. Bye bye, guys.